Picture this. You're cruising down the road, the wind in your hair, the open sky above, and your entire home packed onto 3 wheels. Sounds crazy? Think again. Because this is the future of compact travel, and it's called the Camper Tricycle RV. It's tiny, it's efficient, and it's absolutely genius. Imagine squeezing through tight city streets, slipping into tiny parking spots, and never worrying about gas stations draining your wallet. This little beast takes the idea of van life and shrinks it down into something even more practical. But don't let its size fool you. This is a fully functional home on wheels. Let's take a closer look. The moment you lay eyes on this tricycle RV, you realize it's no ordinary ride. The design is sleek, futuristic, and cleverly compact. Every inch is engineered to serve a purpose. You step closer, open the side panel, and boom. Instant transformation. What looks like a regular trike turns into a cozy mobile retreat. Inside, the surprises keep coming. There's a foldable bed that stretches out just right for a comfortable night's sleep. Storage compartments are tucked away in every possible corner, making sure no space is wasted. There's even a small kitchenette with a tiny stove, a compact sink, and enough counter space to whip up a hot meal. And if you're wondering about power, solar panels on the roof ensure that your lights, gadgets, and maybe even a mini fridge stay running no matter where you park. Now, let's talk about mobility. Unlike bulky motorhomes that struggle on narrow roads, this 3-wheeled wonder zips through traffic effortlessly. Whether you're exploring hidden back roads, weaving through urban jungles, or parking near a quiet lakeside retreat, the Camper Tricycle RV is built for adventure. It's light enough to maneuver easily, but sturdy enough to handle rough terrain. But here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a practical solution for modern travelers. Rising fuel costs? No problem. Tight living spaces? Not an issue. Want to wake up to a different view every day? Done. Whether you're a solo explorer, a digital nomad, or someone just looking for a weekend escape, this camper trike is an absolute game changer. And it doesn't stop there. Picture yourself riding up to a scenic overlook, parking effortlessly, and within minutes you've got a full-fledged camper ready to go. Unfold your seat, pour yourself a cup of coffee, and soak in the view. It's freedom in its purest form. Now, let's answer the big question. How does it handle on the road? Well, you'd be surprised. This thing isn't just about comfort, it's also about performance. Depending on the model, you might find electric assistance that makes pedaling feel effortless, or even a small engine that gives you an extra boost when needed. Hills? No sweat. Long distance travel? Absolutely possible. And best of all, you're traveling light, cutting down on fuel consumption and reducing your carbon footprint in the process. But what about safety? The engineers behind this marvel didn't cut any corners. The frame is built with high-strength materials to keep you secure. There are advanced braking systems to ensure quick stops when needed. And the design itself? It keeps your center of gravity low, making it far more stable than you'd expect from a 3-wheeled setup. And let's be real, there's something incredibly cool about rolling up in a camper tricycle RV. People stop, stare, and ask questions. They're curious, they want to know how it works. And when they see you unfolding your mobile home in seconds, their minds are blown. It's a conversation starter, an adventure machine, and a statement all in one. Think about the possibilities. Imagine road tripping across the country, but instead of spending thousands on fuel, you're cruising efficiently. Imagine pulling into a festival, unfolding your trike, and having the perfect hangout spot while others struggle with tents and bulky campers. Imagine exploring places that traditional RVs simply can't go, all while carrying everything you need right behind you. And it's not just for adventurers. This could be the perfect solution for urban dwellers who want a micro-home on wheels. Maybe you live in a city where rent is sky-high. What if your home could move with you? What if you could park your living space wherever you found a great view? The possibilities are endless. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds incredible, but where do I get one? Well, the market for these is growing fast. Custom builders and innovators are popping up, each bringing their own twist to the design. Some models are ultra-minimalist, focusing on just the essentials. Others pack in more luxury with clever space-saving features that make it feel surprisingly roomy. The best part? Many of them are customizable, allowing you to tweak the design to fit your exact needs. So, whether you're looking for a full-time travel solution, a weekend getaway machine, or just the coolest ride on the block, the Camper Tricycle RV is something you need to see to believe. The future of travel isn't just bigger, it's smarter, more efficient, and way more fun. Now, let's hear from you. Would you take this on the road? Where would your first adventure be? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love innovation, travel, and mind-blowing vehicles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the next big thing. Because trust me, this is just the beginning of a whole new way to explore the world.